fire in my chest. Even when the pressure never rests, them try chain the youth with fear and lies. Still the lion spirit never die. Concrete jungle cold and rough, but the righteous heart is strong enough. Mama pray through the stormy rain, say, my child never bow to pain. When the world gets dark tonight, hold your truth and hold it tight. No dictator, no broken dream can silence the people's scream. Never let the spirit break, no matter how much they take. Stand like a mountain, strong like the sea. Freedom lives in you and me. Never let the fire fade, even in the darkest shade. Rise up singing through the ache. Never let the spirit break. Children dancing barefoot streets, still finding joy in simple beats. From Kingston town to Abidjan, one love carry the people on. Some sell soul for silver and gold, but ya know every story told. Truth survive through every age, like thunder roaring from the stage. If they lock the door, we sing louder. If they spread hate, we grow prouder. If they bring war, we plant peace, till every chain and burden cease. Never let the spirit break, no matter how much they take. Stand like a mountain, strong like the sea. Freedom lives in you and me. Never let the fire fade, even in the darkest shade. Rise up singing through the ache. Never let the spirit break. Oh, Jah guide the weary soul, keep the broken people whole. Through the struggle, through the ache, never let the spirit break.